Can you finish this in 3 minutes?
Smart Chris. Why they like insult person now? Which of be small starch and more nuts?
2 big starch and 2 donuts in 3 minutes.
This thing big.
You say this thing big. Okay, bro. If you can finish this in 3 minutes, I will transfer 50,000 naira to you. Okay, 3 minutes to do this. Bro, we in a restaurant now. Why they come out clothes?
Who are you?
Don't say anybody. Okay, 3 minutes to do this. Oh, this is an juju. And your time starts now. Alright, guys. 2 big starch, 2 donuts. Let's see if you can. I'm tired.
In my mind, no go touch ground. In my mind, no go touch ground.
Bro. So abeg. Why they do like this now? Jesus. Spana. Jesus. Bro, take am easy. This one na donut. Abeg, small. You are so on time. No, this one. Bro, take am easy. Jesus. God. Let's see if we can do this, okay? No say donuts no be fufu na. Let's go. Okay, this is 1 minute gone. 1 minute gone. Let's go. I don't cash am today. It is a donut na fufu. Okay, come on. Remember, you finish everything, even your water. Jesus. Remaining the one wey dey your mouth. Chineke. A minute and 40 seconds. Come on. See your mouth. No, wait. This thing na person. Hey! The person wey in there. Wait, yeah, we need money, guys. Come on, wait.
No, I just want to see my best.
Jesus. Chineke. Well, in fact, you don't win already. Man, okay. Your time still dey go. Come on. Spana. Oh, you don't sugar. You don't sugar. Easy. Come on. Easy. That donut. You no go well. Abeg, water. Bring me water. Then in less than 2 minutes, Spana finish 2 big size of starch and 2 donuts. And he carry the one wey person keep for here. Spana, na so you like food? Then, guys, if you can challenge this guy, drop your location. If you can challenge him.
God have
Guy, I fear this guy. Bro, who's in the shop?
Nah, that donut wanted to whine me.
No, I want not. That's why I put donuts. You don't say you are a professional on fufu, so I can't add donuts. Well, congrats, bro. You still won. In 2 minutes and 5 seconds, he finished everything. And he can carry another person on. Now, person drop this thing here. He can carry him. Bro, in fact, I go challenge you next time.
Let me do am home.
Is it?
Food challenge is not for the weak.
Me, where be mama?
Food challenge is not for the weak.
Okay, guys, if you can challenge him, drop your comment under the comment section. Make sure you share this video, okay? Because I'll bless a lucky fan with 10,000 naira. Share and drop your answer. Let's go, bro. Congrats.
It's not a gather here.
Them no.